This is the only 3-star hotel private limited at Kharghar by its name and also by the stars given by the government. 3-star hotel Kharghar. This is the reception of 3-star hotel. A beautiful background, very beautifully made, with the pictures and the posters of Lord Krishna here. A beautiful reception where people can wait with ease. And a lovely corridor with beautiful rooms inside. Now we are entering the rooms of K-Star Hotel. Rooms with space and beautiful ambience. It's a highway touch room wherein a person can sit and see from hours to hours. A very beautiful and a very romantic place to be in. Here we have another type of room, which is the society facing side of the room. Very beautiful and light made ambience. Beautiful interiors, beautifully made. This is the banquet hall of 3-star hotel with a capacity of 150 people at a go for events like birthday parties, wedding anniversaries, events, corporate meetings. This is one of the best places. Welcome friends. Here we are with Mr. Ritesh Sinha, the General Manager of Hotel 3-Star Private Limited. Hello Mr. Sinha.
Yes, very good evening, madam.
Good evening sir. So please tell us something about Hotel 3-Star. How did it come into existence and where is it been today?
See, I'll tell you, Hotel 3 Star was inaugurated on 16th of March 2007. And this luckily this hotel got classified in 2008 March itself. So right from 2008, we are maintaining the norms of the hotel industry, subject to the classification. Beside this is the first three-star classified hotel in Raigad district. Okay, and beside this, we are maintaining we are having one veg restaurant and one non-veg restaurant.
You have two different separate restaurants.
Restaurants we have, yes. And we have functioning altogether 43 rooms with us.
Okay.
Deluxe and the super deluxe category of rooms we have. And we are maintaining almost 70 to 80% of occupancy.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
So sir, tell us the unique selling proportion. As we say, there are so many restaurants. It's a hub of restaurants here in Navi Mumbai. So how do you differentiate yourself as 3-star hotel?
See, this is subject to the services and the quality of food what we are serving to the guest.
Okay.
And I can say that normally in this industry around 50 to 70% staffs move here and there, but we are maintaining our staff right from beginning. 70% staffs are still sustaining with us.
That's a wonderful thing.
Yeah, this is what we are maintaining our hotel.
Because generally in hotels, the major problem is with the staff. The staff doesn't stay.
Correct.
So you have all the.
Yeah, we have maintained that.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Past 5 years we are maintaining the same.
Oh, first 5 years. So they have completed their gratuity year. Your
Yes.
staff. Mrs. Sinha, please tell us now that there's going to be an emergence of the airport very soon in New Bombay. Where do you foresee yourself as Hotel 3-star?
See, Hotel 3-star is just, you can say, located opposite to the upcoming proposed international airport. Okay, you can see exactly the road which goes from the hotel, straightway it goes to the one part of the airport. And beside this, definitely we will get much more business during those days, and we feel that this area needs some more upgradation is required from the local authority, because the complete area you can see from this portion till end, it is completely open.
Okay.
None of the shops are occupied. Reason, the local authority is not taking care of it properly. But at the same time, we can see if the airport will come, definitely the flow of corporate clients will be more over here. And as if Hotel 3-star is maintaining around, you can say, 20 to 30% of foreign clients over here in our hotel itself.
Okay, that's great.
Yes, because Taloja is the area where we are getting max of the business from there. We are having the tie-up with more than 1,000 of the companies. Out of that, we are maintaining 70 to 80% of business with us.
Excellent, I would say. Okay, Mrs. Sinha, please tell us what is the impact of internet on Hotel 3-star Private Limited?
See, internet facilities is, I can say, it's a boom in the industry, because through that we can easily communicate to the guest. Normally in the previous days, as I remember, whenever such type of reservations comes to us, in that case we have to go through a particular fax, we have to maintain the complete write-up, then accordingly it has to be sent through the fax or through the telecommunication. But nowadays, once any such queries comes, immediately we just follow through the net. We just request the guest to send us the proposal. Accordingly, we'll confirm you the reservation. Okay. At the same time, you can say certain advance do required. If the person is not known to us, if they deposit the amount to our account, then accordingly the reservations gets confirmed. So these are the best factors I can say. This,
Has made an impact.
yes,
to you.
yes.
That's great. Okay, and what about the promotion and the branding of Hotel 3-star?
Promotion, see, I can say that our hotel is tied up with more than 15 to 16 travel portals, and through them we are getting a lot of business.
Alright.
Yeah, major of them are like Travel Guru, Nevalink, hotel booking. There are a lot of foreign. Yeah, besides this, we are having tie-up with more than 6-7 travel portals across the foreign countries also. From there also, those foreigners, they do come and stay comfortably with us.
Wonderful. So with this travel ports, you really see your future, as well as today also you're getting an impact on your business. tell us what is this dish?
Well, this is our specialty in Chinese. This is dragon fried chicken,
Dragon fried chicken. Lovely.
based with the Szechuan sauce.
Uh-huh. So this
Yes.
gravy that we see here is all Szechuan.
Szechuan preparations is there.
Okay, now I'm going to taste this.
Please have a taste.
Amazing.
Thank you. Thanks
Really
a lot.
worth the taste.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Yes, Mrs. Sinha. Please tell us what is this yummy dish? What is the name of this dish?
The name of this yummy dish is Alishan chicken kebab.
Oh wow. Okay.
And
this
this is basically a tandoor preparation, and this is our one of the speciality.
is speciality.
Yes.
That's wonderful. The name itself says it is Alishan.
Yes.
Let me taste now.
And finally, the cheese has been coated on top of it.
Acha, it's topped with
Yes,
cheese, is it?
topped with cheese.
A real tandoor flavor and a real tandoor taste. It's damn yummy. Just have to come here and just grab this.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Sinha. What is this fish made out of?
See, this is our seafood speciality. This is pomfret, and the preparation is tawa fish fry.
Tawa fry.
Tawa
Okay.
fish fry.
Wonderful.
That too in a
And,
Mangalorean style.
Oh, Mangalorean. Okay.
Yes.
This has to be really spicy.
Yes.
Fish, crisp, and very spicy Mangalorean dish. Just awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sinha, for giving us your valuable time. It was a pleasure to be here at Hotel 3 Star Private Limited.
So nice of you. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.